Michael, I have established a secure link to our mainframe at HQ. How's the setup going?
Almost ready. I'm running some diagnostics.
Commander, I ran a few scans and we are alone out here. No humans for miles. Also, I'm having some trouble getting my scanner to process beyond the mountains.
Sounds like that snowstorm is blocking our signals.
That snowstorm is a signal graveyard.
Okay, we are ready.
Go ahead and launch.
Once it reaches a safe altitude, it will proceed to the location. Strange. It's not supposed to go so slow. It's having an issue. Stand by. I'll try to fix it. I just ran another diagnostic. No errors to report. It's at the right altitude, but something is wrong. This doesn't make sense. It's just spinning in a circle. I'll run another diagnostic. Stand by. Battery is drained. Something is preventing it from leaving the area. I'm going to bring it back down. Now it's not responding to any commands. It's completely drained. We have only one more drone that has a full battery. I haven't even started this other one up and it's drained.
Let's head up a bit higher. Maybe you can get it to fly correctly from there.
Sounds good. Okay, we are up and it's starting to head to the location. Oh no, I lost everything. The signal just stopped. I'm sorry, but it's gone. No GPS signal or beacon.
What? How is that possible? We've never had a problem like this. There has to be another way. Ashley, can you reach our special ops team in the area?
Patching them through now.
Commander, we have an urgent call coming in from Operations Commander Cora on a secure channel.
Patch her through.
Commander Falcon, we have a situation. We need your eyes on the location. Stand by for coordinates.
Copy. We'll check it out.
Thanks. Over and out.
Okay, the assignment is in. This location is 10 clicks north. We should use our alpine camo.
Good idea. I'll stay at camp and monitor.
Sounds good. Team, let's head back to camp, change, and head out?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for watching.
Brigand to 3-1, Eddie Burton, Murray Corrigan, Elite Action Joe Studio, Tim Cope 6685, Thamo Thamo 15-0.
Adventure Team Files, Paul Knapp, Andy and Indy. TR Productions, G.I.Joe The Lost Chronicles. Skunkworks Studios, Spider Monkey Films. Maxog Adventure International.
Click the like button if you like this video.
If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing.